across to the other bathroom, the daughter's bathroom.
Which one, right?
Right here. But then if he goes another foot, now he's going to fall down in the wall. So we're right inside the, see, now we're pointing down.
Mm-hmm.
And that's not where the clog was. Pull it back now slowly, Paul. And we busted the clog right before the white pipe. The clog was right. See, we busted the clog at 20 feet and we zeroed. So when we get to zero here, that's what the clog was. No, we're 2 foot back. The clog was right here, but this is where the water is. And you see that the white pipe, yeah, you just got this standing water here and it's not running. You got a flat part, so under heavy use. Yeah, the only thing I know to do would be to cut the ceiling out and to try and solve it.
Okay.
You just got this little belly here, but the belly is
right before that white
where
pipe.
where the tie-in is for the laundry room.
Okay.
So it seems like, plus what you've told me, it's like, it just seems like the drop.
Right.
So any kind of, a lot of times when you put in a pipe, you don't do the minimum grade. You can, there's a lot of difference between an 1/8 and a 1/4 inch. But if you're running an 1/8 all the way, this slow. It's so you can see. And see, he sloshed some of the water out. There's actually would be more water in there if he wasn't running the camera back and forth, sloshing some of it out, displacing it. So, but it's clear now. Oh, you're looking at it too the whole time?
Yeah.
Huh? So you don't even need the monitor, huh? If you didn't.
Yeah, the monitor creates the
Oh,
Bluetooth.
the monitor, the Bluetooth is in the monitor.
Yeah.
So like 2 people could do it.
Yeah, you could have that in the other room as long as you're
Yeah, we
tethered. You could have the phone.
Walkie-talkie or something.
Yeah, you'd have the phone with you on the app.
So
Okay.
that's the only problem I see. Everything else looks great, and that's exactly where the clog was. We was completely underwater until we got to this point. When we got to this point, it was really hard. I couldn't push the camera, and I had to sit there and bang on it to get to bust the clog. So the clog was right there. The standing water is there. I don't see any other problems.
Okay. Okay. So it'll be clear as long as we don't overuse it right now until we get it good.
Yeah, it's clear. I mean, there's nothing in there. It'll probably last as long as it's been lasting.
Yeah, I know. But
Sometimes-
it's gonna happen.
Yeah, you would think it would. Sometimes with these toilets, they're only 1.5 gallons. The toilets are not that old. Sometimes it wouldn't hurt if you flush it twice.
Yeah, that's what we. So that was the interesting thing. We told all the kids that, and then my oldest son ate that.
Yeah, it's
Right after he went to the bathroom, like the first place in the world.
yeah, it's hard to get. I mean, my kids, yeah, it's hard to get them to listen to do anything. They won't even keep the room clean. How they gonna?
Well, right, because that gives it that extra little force to get it through.
Mm-hmm.
But that's helpful. That's real helpful to know all that. So what I can do is talk to my wife and have give you guys a call about, like, if you want to go ahead and have you just open up the ceiling and see what you can do.
Yeah. I really mean it's not a great job, but I guess we can try and fix it for you. I mean, maybe we could just open the ceiling up. Yeah, I will do it for you, but it's really going to be hard to fix it. It might be. Maybe not. Maybe I can just open up the ceiling and push it up and put a good strap on it, and then we'll use the camera and see if all the water is gone away. If we can get to where there's no standing water, then you're good. But